And I'm back like death, and death never left. And how do I stand along all the time and hang out with my coffin? Or is it my bedstand? And left me alone for some time, and I fucking drank hella shit all the days that I will be awake all the time. And you will follow through the path that you grew. And I'm half of the hand of the soul reaching out to take you away, but I'm not right there yet. And I've got follow stars in the sky. Some will come to you, and I have to remember that I traveled back in time, and now I'm back from the past. Fuck my life.
Hey yo, I'm coming one beer in and a couple of puffs off the pen. A lot of people talking shit I can't spit when I'm sober. Bitch, let me tell you this. I started off writing raps so thick I had a notebook bigger than my bitches. I don't really give a fuck, I leave them covered in stitches because I'm about to get it. Hey, and I'm living my life every single damn day. And I'm coming for your soul. I'm about to swing away. I'm about to put you in a hole that's like 60. I'm about to put you in a ditch, but you don't wanna fuck with me.
For the Holy Ghost that watches hosts all the time, all around here. All my mind is watching everything that falls apart. It's watching everything that never was, and happily ever hand of had to let it rest as easily as it comes, and it falls in your lap, and it might slide a little bit, and you can grab it by the back and lift it up, or you can roll in the ice truck. Go in the night, we go in the night.
And in the night we roll, and in the night we're strong. And when we all unite, there's nobody that can fuck with the team. Cause we the ice truck ninjas, we're I.T.N. And if you fucking around at all, then we can catch you quick, my friend. And you best believe that, and you best believe you talk shit, I leave you flat. And I'm coming with you crazy, that's my dog, that's a fact. And he gon' put you in your grave today. He gon' put you in your grave, and I'm gonna take your soul away. About to take your soul.
Happy life, wife and a family. And I go on strolls. I have a happy life, happy family. I go on strolls, and I have a happy life, happy family. And I go on strolls, and I have a happy life, happy family. And I go on strolls, and I have a happy life, happy family. And I go on strolls, and I have a happy life, happy family.
You gotta let them all know. Happy life, happy family.